Here's some pieces of Boulder Opal from central Queensland, Australia. Rules in millimetres. Material's been wetted. I've just brought it in a bit closer so you get a better look. Nice stone through here. It's only thin. That's what a lot of Boulder Opal is. Something else maybe on the end there. Thin seam goes around. Basically priced it on this piece here. Second piece. White's the reflection of the lights. Got bluey greens, reds, oranges over here on the side. Little eye of just potch. This piece, stone in the middle there. Have a little stone on the ends. Another piece around on that side. No more seams. Sorry, I should have showed you that piece too. That's the same. It's just a thin bar of colour. Anyway, I hope you've enjoyed. Cheers.